Still relying on suppliers with limited production capabilities? Struggling with delays and rising costs? Cutting costs shouldn't mean cutting corners. Waiting weeks for deliveries to arrive? What if your supplier understood your product designs, just like your own in-house team? Introducing MechNova Exports, your one-stop partner for high-precision machine components, castings, and forgings. From prototyping to full-scale production, we deliver unmatched quality, engineering support, and on-time logistics, all aligned with your goals. At MechNova, we believe in partnership. When you win, we win. That's how we grow, together. MechNova Exports, machine to perfection, always.